my name is Laura Seban with Seban's Insurance Solutions. I'm from St. Simons Island, Georgia, and specialized in coastal insurance solutions. I actually came from a very large brokerage and have actually worked with multiple agency management systems. While at my last office, we discovered Jenesis, and it felt like the answer to all my prayers. It had the capabilities of large programs like AMS 360 and ImageRight, but yet in a very user-friendly format that was still customizable to each agency individually. That's what brought me to Jenesis. Working with other software companies, software upon implementation, it was just a quick in-person training or one quick video for a whole office in general. With Jenesis, the process was completely different. It was very customized. We could have them walk through it with us, or we could choose to do the tutorials online, at self-paced. So Jenesis is absolutely far more user-friendly. And the other great thing is you can go back if you have a question on a process and actually review a video, because they have these great YouTube videos online. Other companies don't have that available, and when you have a question, you're waiting on hold for an 800 number or someone to respond, and you could be waiting days or hours, whereas Jenesis, you have your answer in minutes. One of my favorite stories about Jenesis is I worked with a program that was not integrated with Jenesis, and I mentioned to them what a value I thought the integration between this company and Jenesis would be, not only to my particular agency, but to other agents as well. Jenesis not only heard that, they went and explored that opportunity, and this past week I got an email that they are actually implementing a relationship with that company. So who does that? But Jenesis does. We are a small agency. The way the program works, it allows us to work lean, but yet it's customizable as the agency grows. It's one of the best values in Jenesis. The other thing I mentioned to the team when I began, and yes, I call them my team because they are my team, is that if they can make my little office happy, being a small coastal barrier island office that writes I have very unique issues that aren't every agency. I write a lot of surplus lines. I write admitted lines. I also write a mix of personal, commercial, and life and health. No other system out there allowed me to do this and to keep those clients all into one platform. And Jenesis listened and has worked with agents like me to make this possible. No other company out there listens to their clients and their agents to see what they need. This program, you can clearly tell, was designed by an agent for agents and is still interested in agent feedback as the industry continues to change. Every individual in the office can customize their home dashboard to their own preference. So not everybody in the office has the same needs. The CSR may need more suspenses, whereas I, the agent, I'm looking at what policies are renewing and what quotes do I have pending. So what's nice is that it's customizable to each user. Oh gosh, if you ever have an issue while using Jenesis, just go down to the corner to the little chat function. You'll get one of the team. They are super friendly. They'll either walk you through, send you a video link. If it's something a little even more complex, they're not afraid to pick up the phone and call you and work it through with you. I actually promote Jenesis to all my friends who own agencies and even agents that I come across at other, corporate and like events. I'm on a couple social media platforms. When people ask about management systems, even if Jenesis is not one of the options, I often will put my